So, you're welcome once again. I'm still talking on the classification of neurotransmitter based on their, you know, chemical substances. This is will I call it a discovery that we were able to, understand since we have at least 100 chemicals suspected to be functions as neurotransmitters. Then these neurotransmitters are also variously, classified as, you know, in the as a category based on that particular chemicals. Since the 100, at least 100 chemicals is being suspected in each of the functions. So we have to classify it based on that chemical. So there is nothing that should be leave untouched in neuroscience or neurochemistry or neuropsychology. Then we have to mention this classification based on their chemical structures. Then we have the amino acids. The amino acids are the glutamates, GABA, glycine, aspartate. Then we have every others which are still in fact yet to be discovered. Then we still have the modified amino acid, which basically I mentioned as acetylcholine. Then we have the catecholamines. Okay, the monoamines. The monoamines are divided into endolamines and the catecholamines. The endolamines of the monoamines is what we call the serotonin and melatonin. Then we still have the catecholamines of the monoamines. One of it is called dopamine. We have norepinephrine and epinephrine. Then we have the peptides. These are chains of amino acids. And what are the example of the peptides? They are the following substances or no substances: endorphin, substance P, neuropeptide Y, and many others. So these chains of amino acids known as the peptides, you should know that endorphin is a happy hormone, substance P helps in the pain blockage, then the neuropeptides also does its own function also. That is why they are also important to be discussed, because we also talk on their specific action or function, or talk on the neurotransmitter one after the other in the next class. Then we have the purine. The chemical purine is suspected to be in the ATP, which is a type of neurotransmitter. You know what called ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. Then we still want to suspect adenosine himself to be a purine-oriented neurotransmitter. Then we have those that are found or formed through gases. We call them the nitric oxide. And nitric oxide can be called the laughing gas that is being abused today. So as we are learning, make sure you keep your notes and listen attentively. Just follow this step, replay it, keep replaying it. Even in the exam day, replay it, it will come out in your exam. For fact, the neuroscience of psychiatry is concerned, it must come out. Thank you, class, for your listening. I will urge you to go for your break. When you come back for your break, we'll now talk about the specific neurotransmitters, discuss on them one after the other, and what is their basic role in the system. Thank you.